Today I've got another load of logs coming from Downtown Woodstock, from Adair Park, Woodstock. And while I'm waiting for those logs to get here, I'm gonna knock out another log real quick. It's a Mockernut, another Mockernut hickory. And I'm gonna cut it down to 2 inches thick, square it up. It's been sitting on the ground a while, so it's actually got some fungal growth on it already, and I am hoping that fungal growth will actually help enhance the final wood product once I mill it. So let's open it up and check it out. Quick before I get started, that's the fungal growth I was telling you about, and because of that growth on the side, the sapwood, which is the outer wood of most logs, is now rotten, so which is why I can't live it slab this. You'll see that right here. The wood is all I call punky. It really falls apart in your fingers. So which is why we can't live it slab this. But we're going to turn it into what's called a cant, which is squaring it up, and that will knock off the rotten wood. The sapwood on the inside is still going to be good, and even if they might possibly, probably isn't, but let's say there were actual insects in here, when I run this through the kiln, there is a cycle at the end of the kiln where I actually sterilize the wood. We crank the temperature up to about 160 degrees for a couple days, and that kills off not only the insects but any potential eggs that might be in the wood. So, which is part of the reason why you got a kiln, because air dried wood would not have the same result. I think this hickory came out pretty nice. Very, very cool. Can't wait to turn this into a desk. So this is the first. I've never had a rock this big inside of the bark. It was inside this bark, stuffed all the way up in here. And when the blade went through, it was stuck down in here. The blade hit it, and, well, they're not made to cut rock, they're made to cut wood. So I might have to put a new blade on. That stinks. Found a bunch of rocks actually stuffed up in the log. That's crazy. It happens sometimes.